Sorry about the abrupt end to yesterday's vlog, or today's vlog, or this vlog in general. But yesterday, after we went to Kleinscheidig, I don't know how to say it. Anyway, my German is very good. I think we established that already. We pretty much couldn't find anything that inspired us because, well, let's just say the Wengen was just like a zoo. There were so many people there, and it was just so crowding that we couldn't really think. And skiing can be a little expensive in Switzerland, so we decided not to do that this time, owing to the time. We're only here for about like 52 hours or something. After this, we pretty much have to head to the airport. But right now, we're enjoying some photography in the region called Emmental, and it's basically a region that's known for these hills. And then the Alps point up right behind them. We're kind of really low right now, so you can't really see the Alps, but that's basically this neighborhood. And this morning we were at a viewpoint where we took a couple of images. The light wasn't really happening in the way we wanted it to, because the forecast was for ground fog and low clouds, and that didn't really happen. But it was still a nice scene. I think I might have gotten a good picture or two. It's just not what I expected. But driving through this area, you get a lot of these intimate scenes with villages and houses. What do you think of this place?
It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous.
What's your favorite part about coming here?
About where?
Yeah, like in this region. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the rolling hills reminds me a lot of North Island, New Zealand, with rolling hills, and probably like most of UK.
Yeah.
It has a very Swiss feel to it with
the houses,
the
right?
chalets and the specific architecture, and they look a lot like very, very, very Swiss. I was commenting earlier that some of the villages here had really old feel to it. It looked like almost like Rohan in Lord of the Rings. Anyway, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
We don't really have any aim to this day, honestly, until we get to the airport. So we're just driving around, having some fun. The light's coming in and out. There's some shadows, there's some light. It's just fun to photograph. But yeah, on we go through this neighborhood of Switzerland aimlessly. Alright, so we're pretty much at the end of the trip, and we were just having Burger King one last time when we saw this castle. I don't think I've ever seen a picture of this castle anywhere on social media or anything. I don't really want to show up, but anyway. It's called Arburg Castle, and man, it's one of the best views of a castle we've seen in quite a while in Europe. And there's hardly anyone here. It's such a pleasant day. Birds are going, and yeah, it's definitely not what you'd expect from Switzerland, but I guess Switzerland keeps surprising us. So this will be the end of the trip and the end of the vlog. See you guys back in the United States. So it is snowing like hell in Zurich right now, and we're on the terrace outside. What do you think of the conditions right now?
Amazing.
Our flight's delayed 4 hours, but my passport has run out of pages, so we can't go back to Zurich. At least he can, but I can't. And yeah, so we're stuck here. looking at this and wishing we were in Zurich photographing. But I guess the best we can do right now is airplane photography. Just like that, our first and only trip of 2020 came to an end. Little did we know what was about to happen as soon as we got back home. Until next time, guys, stay safe and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below. See you on the next one.